not corruption. Literal. Corruption is the justice system and criminal finance. Honest governance act means integrity to serve to the people justly. Leader must act which lead to the more peaceful. Many think corruption lead to a more peaceful and developed nation. Security. Corruption is the flaw that hides the sun of justice. Justice is a flame that corruption hides the sun of corruption creates the infiltrate. A corruption system system is a broken mirror. It's distort the truth. Which justice stands tall, corruption fall to its knees. Integrity is the sword that cuts the teeth of corruption.
Go.
Literal. Honesty strengthens the between the government is the people. Corruption weakens. Process is destroys public confidence. Another born on honesty is pure fairness and equal opportunity. Saying no to corruption promotes justice and transparency. Citizens' integrity contribute to this and stronger society. Figurative honesty is the life that right away the northwest. Corruption is a parasite feeding on the action so when truth stands the corruption rumble like dust. Honesty is the sense that grow into a stream of justice. A heart's guide by honesty can defend the sword of corruption. Plus control corruption. Interruption. Plus corruption protect or meant to protect communities from danger. But, but corruption mixes this system turns a life-saving responsibility into a sources of suffering will a social of contraction, vicious choice, that's consent, or priorities personal gain over public safety. Communities end up struggle, flood, demands, property, and even loss of life. Body. One major issue that plans control corruption is the misuse of public funds management for constructing struggle drainage. System, system reason. Wall of land barriers is often stolen or mismanaged living project incomplete or poorly. Bold research evidence small struggle can come see for serve landing because the instructor is too weak to instance natural force. Other impact of corruption is the uh, hearing of contractual use law equally materials. To notice profile inflate of boarding structure than islands for your this structure great weak foundation that that was late during falling rains. Corruption is flat. Control also slow down process and delaying important project pro- project bringing fake documents in political interest threatens construction and maintenance while officials argue and misuse recent test beds all claim live board year after year. Conclusion. International flood control corruption there are vital request multi-factorial approach that involves government against civil society and communities working together to remove to remove to remove transferring transferring account transferring accounting accountability and good governance. Transferring anti-corruption law implementation is citizen participation and flood control training and monitoring and supporting community integration and essential stress to avoid that plans control.